It's break day. Oh yeah. All right. So today I'm unboxing our brakes. Let's see if they fit. Let's see if they're any good. Woo! We did it. Yeah.
And then we should be able to push a button.
It smells like new car.
This is my son.
It's any charities that you can, and please subscribe.
So first thing I got off of eBay, I got this kit. Looks like it's from Gearhead, and it's got stainless braided hoses. They look pretty nice. I'll bring that up there, and inside here we have some calipers and some pads for a 1969 Chevy Camaro, which will go on the front of this pickup truck. So these clearly need painted. So we've got the raw material there as far as the calipers go, but we'll paint those up. And they should look pretty good. Not sure about the composition of the pads, but we need pads, we have the rotors. So this is, that's the direction we went. So that should be pretty good. This little set right here, it's got the copper fittings. It has all of the mounting brackets for the lines. It's even got the bolts that are going to go into the hose, into the caliper. So this looks pretty good. I'm excited about this. Stopping, the most underrated part of going fast. Or is it? Yeah, definitely. Everybody thinks about the horsepower. We gotta start thinking a little bit more about the brake power. Good times. All right, let's see what's next. Feels like Christmas morning, almost. All right, so I did already take, all right, so this next thing is a rear disc brake conversion for Ford. So you guys remember my previous video, link up above, where I walked you through the truck, and then we've got a more specific video right here, which is a short that walks you through the rear end, but it's a Chevy 12-bolt rear end and has Ford axles on it, so I had to get the Ford kit. I did already pull the instructions out of the boxes, but let's go ahead and dive in, shall we? Let's dive in. Let's see what we've got. Come on down. All right. Boom, boom, pow. Lots of good packing. We like that. This would look really good in the trunk of a 37 Ford. You're welcome, Chris. All right, so we've got e-brake cables. So I'm planning on running an emergency brake or a parking brake, depending on what you call it. So we've got those. That's good stuff. Let's see what we have in here. Not crazy about that little situation, but did have. All right, Jegs kit. And they don't have any affiliate situation, so I'm not getting anything out of this other than brakes that I bought. All right, so here's our e-brake mechanism, and here's our pads. Pads look good. It's got the bolt, it's got the copper fittings that you need. So yeah, this is the powder coated version. So it's like an extra $30 to get powder coated. Why wouldn't you? You spray paint alone to do caliper paint that's ceramic coated is like 15 bucks, so you might as well get powder coated. And that's all that's in this box. All right, next box. So this feels heavy. I think we're gonna have some rotors in here, so that's cool. Let's see what we got. Come on down. Come on down. All right. More packaging. That's cool. 37 Fords are the choice place to store packaging. Remember that, everyone. So we've got a box here. Let's go ahead and get that open. All right, we got a rotor. Let's pull it out. Take a look. Couple different bolt hole designs in it. It's vented, as you can see, not cross drilled or anything. And looks like minimum thickness 23 millimeters, what it says on the side, so that's cool. Gives you some specs for what you should let your minimum thickness get to, I suppose. I don't design rotors, I just drive them hard. All right. So we started popping this one. This one feels like this is gonna be brackets. 37 Ford. And the best way in. Gosh, normally I have my keys in my pocket, and this would be my way. All right, this is the key to the whole thing. This is why you get the kits. All right, clearly e-brake cable, EBK9. I don't even need to see the manual to decode that. That looks like e-brake cable bracketry. We'll put all this with the other parts of the e-brake cable. Comes with hoses, which we like, and hardware, which we like, and it has the right number of copper fittings, so that's convenient. Put that with the brake cables. Let's get into the nuts and bolts of the situation. See what I did there? I know you do. I know you hate me for it. Go ahead and throw that down in the comments, please. More jokes like that, or well, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna tell them anyway. All right, and here is what we do. Okay, so it's got 3 different sets of brackets in here, depending on what your Ford rear end is. Go ahead and crack this open. This is the part that people want to know. They want to know. You guys like rusty stuff? Me too. All right, so this is going to be the bracket that your caliper is going to mount to. So that's important. Call that a keeper. And then we've got a couple of different size openings. And so I have the Ford Torino style. And you can see they're just slightly different sizes, right? The new style Ford is what I have. And so, oh, I actually have to look and see which ones I am supposed to use. So these are spacers right here, and then this part, we bolts on the back side if I remember correctly. So, cool stuff. All right, now the question is, does it all fit? Let's find out.